morning everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. I am currently making my way to church by myself because George is not here. He's at work. I don't know if to stop for Starbucks or not because that's kind of our tradition. And yeah. Also, I'm starting the vlog right here because the battery of my camera is about to die. So it's literally pointless for me to take it because I forgot to charge it last night. So I'm just gonna leave it here at home charging, and then when I come back I'll pick up the vlog from there. After church I went home, I had some lunch and did like a Sunday skincare sesh, and now we are back at church because there's an event. It's like a worship night type thing, so I'm excited. Whoa, there's a lot of people here. Yeah. Okay.
Oh wow. Okay, we have to go park in the gravel.
Well then, we should have been here earlier. Nah, George just got out of work, so we're like rushing to get over here.
We're matching.
Are we? Yeah.
White top, black bottom.
So I think the last time we vlogged, we were actually on our way to church on Sunday. So that's great. It is now Wednesday night. It's been 3 days since I vlogged because, you know, I've just been playing catch up with all the vlogs and beauty videos and stuff. So yeah, hello, welcome back.
Now we're on our way to church.
Yes, for Bible study. We didn't even bring our Bibles. I was rendering a video and then I quickly hopped in the shower. I blow dried my hair because George told me it was really cold outside, and turns out it's not that cold outside. So I am about to take this off because I'm wearing a long sleeve under. So yeah. So all week long it's been drizzling and it's been so gloomy, but today is clear blue skies and that just puts me in such a happy mood. I'm on my way to go get some breakfast. I woke up not too long ago. We didn't actually go to the gym this morning because Eileen had something to do and I was exhausted from the week, so I just decided to stay in. Now I'm gonna go to Taco Bell to see if I can get some breakfast. I haven't had their breakfast in a really long time, so I'm really kind of craving something with a tortilla on it and maybe some coffee, but I've been really enjoying my coffee at home. I knew I was gonna vlog today, but I haven't been vlogging the last 4 days really because I've been so busy. There hasn't been any time to just grab the camera.
A buffalo chicken nacho fry, cheesy gordita crunch, and chalupa, a chicken chalupa.
It's 11 p.m.
Yes.
We act like we're young out here.
We are.
Hey, I was just here earlier.
97, I'm sorry, right there.
It's Saturday night and it's date night and I want a margarita. We're at a Mexican restaurant and we're gonna get some Mexican food. Then we're gonna go bowling, hopefully, if I feel up for it. It's a beautiful margarita.
Girl, is that a whole flower in there?
Yeah.
Girl, you need to take that out before it poisons your drink.
It's fine. You're gonna have to get your own. You're like, I don't want it.
Okay guys, so that's going to be the end of this vlog. We'll see you guys on the next one. Because she going to fall asleep on the table.
with you. I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place.
Okay, guys, here we are, 47 to 47. She just made her shot. Oh, knocked 3 down. Oh, what happened?
Jinxed me.
Well, guys, you guys jinxed her.
Without your love, I am out of place. And
There's no
without
way.
you,
There's actually no freaking way.
I love you with all of my heart.
Oh,
Together forever, never.
wow. 1 pin left. If I get less than 3, I lose.
Stop it. You're gonna get 0. Damn it. Wait, what happened? What was all the mess you were talking? What happened? What happened? Tell us.
Can't believe it.
Yeah, and I won by a lot.
I got like 3 no-hitters.
It's okay, maybe next time. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's vlog. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.